Hello everyone, it's Bernard here. And this is iPhone 13 mini. So let's see what's in the box. And here they are, and as you can see, I also ordered iPhone 12 mini in blue to compare the colors to see what Apple changed over the year, because they like to shift things a little bit. And the boxes themselves, they are almost identical, but we can see the iPhone 12 mini comes in this plastic wrap, while iPhone 13 mini has now only the paper packaging and two tabs to pull open. And I really like this move, Apple. It's much better for the planet. I just wish Apple started with this one instead of removing the charging brick from the box. But anyway, let's unbox the 12 mini. Gotta admit that this will never not be satisfying, and the camera cutout will always be funny. And even though I didn't like the 12 mini color when it launched, this blue, I gotta admit that every new iPhone out of the box looks just great. Yeah. Okay, so now let's check the blue on the 13, and the tabs are fairly strong. There were concerns that they will open mid shipping or something like that. I don't think you should worry about this. I think that it's the same as with the plastic packaging. Wow, gotta admit, the photos, the pictures didn't do justice to this phone. This color is so nice. It has this Pacific blue vibes. It's so good. Wow. Yeah, it's definitely lighter and more natural than the last year's blue. It looks, like a deep blue summer sky, and I really love it. The camera is obviously bigger. The rails are nice. The button placement is the same, because on the regular 13 it changed from 12. Let's boot them up and see if one of them will turn on faster. Okay, they were almost identical, but as we can see, iPhone 13 has iOS 15 already, while iPhone 12 is still rocking iOS 14. So quick setup, and meanwhile let's check the boxes. And as we can see, there's nothing really special. There's the same USB-C to Lightning cable that was last year, so no braided or colorful one like on iMacs, and SIM ejector, paperwork sticker. The sticker is still not colorful, so still missed opportunity. Nothing really interesting in the box. It's virtually identical than last year's, and I really would have problem to tell them apart. The boxes now are really boring stuff, so let's get back to the phones. Okay, so some final setting up. We will set the Face ID later. Let's check the 13 mini once more. This color is so good. It looks much more natural. It's so calming and rich also. It's vibrant. Like the other blue is just dull and dark. Yeah, and the rails are so dark on the iPhone 12 mini. Yeah, and let's compare the cameras. As we can see, the 13 mini has much larger camera, but it's also more squared. Like previously it was just rectangular, that was narrower. And let's see the notches, because on 12 mini I think that the notch will be the most noticeable, because it was so out of proportion compared to other phones. It took so much space up there, and now yeah, it's substantial update. But what Apple doesn't say is that the notch is now taller, which I'm a little worried, because on iPhone 13 mini it may obstruct with the wider aspect videos, which I'm not fan of. But yeah, it's really nice that it's smaller, because on iPhone mini the notch was really obnoxious. And the final group photo, let's see them side by side in a summer light. I really like the new color, I gotta admit. Previous year the blue was my least favorite, now I think it's my most favorite. Although the pink one is also interesting. Yeah, it's really beautiful phone. It's really nice. I love that they went to the 4 and 5 design language. Although the rails on the iPhone 12 are also nice. I think that the new midnight color might be something for people preferring dark blue, but it's really dark. It's almost black. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, I'll be preparing battery drain test for both phones and camera comparison obviously, as well as a review. Subscribe, give a like, write your opinion in the comments, and hopefully see you guys in the next one.